G'day, it's Paul from Maxisil, and today I'm so excited to talk to you about our new product, our Premium Grout. We worked really hard the last 3.5 years to come up with a grout that everybody was asking us for. Something new, something different, something easy to use, and I'm so excited to tell you that we've done it. So let me talk to you about a few of the features and benefits of the Maxisil Premium Grout. It's a really high quality, flexible, it's a cement-based grout, but it's sand-free. It's suitable for joints from 1 to 15 millimeters. It's really mold resistant. It contains really strong anti-mold agents like Maxisil silicone. It's hydrophobic. It repels so much water. And that's what all the tilers have said to us when they've tried this. They love it because it's so much better than anything else in the market. It's got a really smooth finish, and it's also suitable for floor and wall applications. So whatever the job is, you can depend on Maxisil Grout to get it done. With our Maxisil Premium Grout, we've got it in 3 easy to use sizes. First one is our 2 kilo, which has got an easy to carry handle and also a Ziploc top. So great for those small jobs, splashbacks, and being resealable, it won't go off and go hard on you. We've also got a 5 kilo bag, which is for those larger jobs. And again, it's in a nice and easy to use carry handle bag. And then we've got our 10 kilo bag for the bigger jobs. With 10 colors in the range, we've covered off the most popular tile colors out today, and which also perfectly align with our top selling Maxisil silicone colors, making sure you get the perfect finish every time. You're unsure how much you need? Visit maxisil.com for our easy to use calculators, making sure that you've got enough for your next job. If you'd like to become a stockist or to find out more, visit maxisil.com.